Hello friends, today we will see split column in Power BI, and in that there are different types of options are there, but we will see first one, that is by delimiter. So for that I am having one address table. It is having a street and then road and then city, and we will apply the different split column options over here. So in split column we will see first option, that is by delimiter. So let's check it. In split column by delimiter, it says that specify the delimiter used to split the text column. Over here I am having comma in my data, so it has taken the comma over here. But if you are having a colon or equal sign or semicolon, you can separate your data with this different options. Now split at what? The three options are available: leftmost, then rightmost, and then each occurrence. We will see each and everything. So first is leftmost. What it will do, it will check first leftmost delimiter, that is comma, and then separate it in a different column. So street in a different column and remaining part of the table is in different column. So let's see. Yeah, so street in a different column and remaining part is in a different column. So this is the first option, that is left. So as you understand now, that is, if I am taking rightmost, then what it will do, it will separate the city and in a different column and remaining part in a different column. As you can see, city in a different address, address to different column, and the remaining part in a different column. So obviously you can understand that suppose I am doing a split column by delimiter, but now I choose the each occurrence, then obviously it will separate three things: street in a different column, road and city in a different column. So this is all about the split column by delimiter, and our in our example the delimiter is comma. Now second example, let's take the second example. Over here I'm having a table with URL, but it is having, now you can see it is having URL and language, but it is having two delimiter. One is dot and one is forward slash. So let's take again the option by delimiter. If I am taking, it will show me the custom. Now in a custom, dot is there. Suppose I am saying okay, then it will separate it with the dot, but now I don't want it with the dot, I want it with the forward slash. So again forward slash and then leftmost delimiters, or each occurrence of forward slash, how many number of forward slash are there, it will separate your table, but I am having only one forward slash. So suppose I am saying okay, then it will separate with the forward slash. So over here my URL is there, and over here the language is there. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.